This is Shannon, Birdsong Quilting, and I have no mic today, so I'm going to be yelling at you. Thankfully, it's a very short Facebook Live. Just wanted to say good morning, welcome to June. June starts tomorrow, and if you keep an eye out on our Facebook tomorrow, we are going to be announcing a big special for the month of June to kick off Summer of Savings. In the meantime, we thought we would let you know that we have started to receive our Christmas patterns in, our Christmas patterns and our fabric. We've got a couple on the cart that have not been inventoried yet, but we have inventoried this one here. It's by Benartex Contempo, and this is one of the kits we bought to make for your holidays. So this kit is called Winter Sky. We have a limited quantity. It does use a background and a layer cake, that's it. And the kit total is $82.99. Amy wrote it for me over here. That is a quilt that is 57 by 61, perfect lap size, just the layer cake and the background. It's lovely. I'm partial to pinks for Christmas, so I hope you guys like it too. And that's all I've got to show for you today. We do have the whole line in if you're interested in starting early on Christmas. And we've got some more Christmas lines that we're going to get inventoried over the next 2 weeks. Big lines. So thank you guys for joining us. If you're interested in the kit, you need to order it today because we have a very limited quantity. And be sure and check out our Summer of Savings post and email that goes out tomorrow. Thank you guys for joining us. Have a great day.